Today's recipe calls for some dark melting chocolate. We're going to make a last minute Valentine's gift. You totally forgot it was Valentine's because last weekend you were watching your favorite team lose the big game. Probably shouldn't talk about that. That might be a little too soon for some of you. This one is super simple, so with that said, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add a half a cup of chocolate to a bowl and throw it in the radioactive machine, or also known as the microwave, and let that melt for 30 seconds. We're going to do 30-second intervals until all of our chocolate is melted. While our chocolate is melting, we should have some parchment paper or wax paper, some sea salt, a sandwich bag, and some shears ready to go. Now that our chocolate is melted and had a little bit of time to cool, we're going to throw it into our sandwich bag. So a good way to cheat is use a cup, open your bag, put your bag inside of the cup so it holds it for yourself. And then we'll just transfer all of our chocolate into our bag. Our sandwich bag becomes a little cheap piping bag, which will make more sense here in a second. So you want to get as much chocolate out of your bowl as you possibly can, like so. Then we'll lift our bag up, move all of our chocolate to one side, and get as much air out as you possibly can. Then seal our bag. Then you want to cut a very small hole, or cut the tip off, just barely cut the tip off of your bag. Like that. And make sure to grab that and throw it away, because you don't want that in your chocolate. And grab our parchment paper, and then start piping out little hearts. They're going to come out probably pretty ugly, but the uglier the better, because then you know they're homemade. So just barely squeeze your bag. Like so, and then fill in the center. Then you can use your little rubber spatula to smooth it out as best as possible. Like that, and then hit it with a pinch of sea salt. Or keep piping out more hearts. So with your front hand, it's just the guide, and your back hand is the hand you squeeze the bag with. Again, you don't want to squeeze too hard. That's an ugly one. You can smooth it out to make it look better. And hit it with our salt. You can make these as big as you would like or as small as you would want. Of course, the smaller you go, the more you're going to get. Alright, now our chocolate has set. It only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to completely set up. The best way to peel it is just to grab a piece of your parchment paper in the corner and just lightly push underneath your chocolate, and it should peel right off like that. So we'll do that with all of them again. So just put your hand underneath your parchment paper, lightly lift up underneath your chocolate, and with your other hand just peel it off the paper. It should just come off just like that. Alright, let's give our chocolate a try. I won't lie, these things are pretty ugly, but hey, they'll keep you from sleeping on the couch this Valentine's year, so let's give it a shot. It's sweet and salty, nice contrasting flavors. Melts in your mouth really well. Overall, it's really good. Alright, that's it for this video. Go melt some chocolate and go melt that heart of that special somebody you love. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and also find me on Instagram at TaylorMakes92. I really gotta go hurry and edit this video so I can get it posted today. So we'll see you on the next one. This video is for you fellas, so don't end up in the doghouse this year. You're welcome. Man, these things are ugly. It's